In this short video, I'm going to give you the exact CRM that helped us cross over 7 figures last year. And guys, it's so simple to use. And I'm actually going to give you the actual board so you could duplicate it. And I'm going to show you how we actually set it up, right? But first, let me break down a limiting belief of yours. One of the biggest problems entrepreneurs have is they think that their next deal, your next deal, is coming in from the next referral or the next lead that you have come in from your Instagram, right? You think it's like the next person that you talk to, right? Where in reality, your next deal is the 90% of people you should be nurturing, right? I'd say about only 10% of people actually convert right off the bat. Like come in from an ad, come in from a DM, come in from a referral, boom, they're in, they book, they closed, right? That's 10%. You're not getting that many people across the finish line from point A to point B, which is point B is collecting more and more and more cash, right? So the question is, how do you get way more people from that and increase that number from like 10% to 90%? How do you get so many people nurtured up that you never have to stress about leads again, right? And so what you guys need to understand is there are stages to this. And before they can cross over from point A to point B, there's stages of trust that need to be built. There's stages that are like roadblocks. These are pretty much like barriers that they somehow need to cross. And the more content you make and the more value you provide, the more you follow up, the more you break down their limiting beliefs and you provide a ton of value. And this gets them to go from point A to point B because you've actually nurtured them, right? Collecting cash at that point is very, very simple because you already did the hard work, right? And so let me just break down the CRM, but more importantly, why do you need a CRM? Because you need to track every single lead, but not just track every lead. It's so crucial that you have to have a follow-up date for every single lead, right? Every single lead needs a follow-up date. Every single one. And they need to be categorized. This is where most people drop the ball. They need to be categorized from new lead to hot lead to book call to all these different stages, right? And on a daily basis, these leads need to be in the correct category, right? So let me break down the CRM we use. And the act of actually tracking and following up is what makes you money, not the CRM platform. You can use Go High Level, Monday, Notion, whatever. It does not matter. The act of actually inputting leads that you talk to into a CRM and knowing what stage they're at by glancing at your CRM and seeing, hey, they're here. And knowing when you got to follow up with them is what's going to make you all your money, right? And so I'm going to give you guys this. You guys can literally simply go here and duplicate this. You literally hit this little thing right here. You hit duplicate, and you could duplicate it onto your own Notion, right? I already have it set up. And so we actually pivoted from Go High Level to here for this one thing that made our life easy. Because once you get past like 1,000+ leads, it gets kind of messy in Go High Level. And especially with follow-ups. And so what we really enjoy here is we have a follow-up day calendar and a follow-up day notification thing, right? So let me just add a lead. Let's just say, I don't know, YouTube. Just name a lead, whatever, right? So you just, like the process is extremely simple, guys. You come in here and then say I have this lead, right? Oh, the reason I'm not able to edit this is because it's one of the duplicate copies. All right, cool. So look, let's say I have the duplicate. Okay. Here. So now I can edit it, right? I duplicate it into my own settings. I could edit this bad boy. All right. Now you add Bobby, number 2, because I already have a Bobby in there. But obviously you add their name. I don't know why I just added this, but I would just take this out. I don't accidentally click that. All right. So message link. So you want to have their Instagram link, or where you last communicated with them, whether it's a phone number, Instagram, whatever. Status, follow-up date. Every lead needs a follow-up date, right? Notes, leads at 10K, trying to scale. He's a videographer, needs help with ads, whatever, right? Boom, okay, sounds good. Awesome, that's what we do, right? Awesome, guys, so here's the thing. Now you can see on the 27th, all my setters have to do, and all we have to do as a team is come in here and make sure we follow up with leads as much as possible, right? Every single lead is followed up with, and every lead has a follow-up date. So say Susan over here, let's move her day to whatever, right? January 25th. You can see that Susan pops up over here. And so now you guys can literally come in here and just check this out, right? And then more importantly, you know how simple it is to stay on top of things when as soon as, say, I put Bobby for today, he now pops up here. So every morning, me and my team just come in here and we have 40, 50 leads that we have to hit up. It's that simple. But if you guys don't do this work, if you guys don't implement this and actually use it and actually track it, you will not have a record year in 2025 because you're still thinking and you're still under the misconception that, hey, my next sale is coming in from the next new lead. No, your next sales and 90% of your revenue is going to come in from leads that you track and nurture and actually provide value to. Because guess what we do to all these leads, 1,000 plus leads in my CRM? We try to send them YouTube videos. We try to give them value. We try to follow up, see where they're at, see if they need any help. I'll even send a Loom video personalized to them if it's a hot lead and be like, hey, here's what I would do if I was you, man. And then they hop on a call and we close them and then they make a lot of money because that's what our clients do. And so, yeah, guys, I hope this helps. Hit that duplicate. You can create the duplicate board. All you have to do is hit that little duplicate thing in the corner and you'll be good to go. Hope this helped. Start tracking your leads. Stop freaking having a leaky bucket because you're losing out on so much money. Let's go. Have an amazing day, guys.